Imagine a world where your car takes flight, your bike hovers, and the sky becomes your highway. From the X-Ping land aircraft carrier's ground-to-air transformation, to Supernal SA-2's silent electric wings, to the Volonaut Airbike's thrilling jet-powered ride, the future of personal travel is here. Feel the freedom of flight with Cyclotech Cruise Up's 360-degree maneuverability and the power of innovation with the Gove Airjet and Durrani H1X. These machines aren't just vehicles, they're a glimpse into tomorrow's mobility revolution. Buckle up, because the sky is no longer the limit. Durrani H1X. The Durrani H1X is a groundbreaking two-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed to redefine personal transportation. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber composite frame and an innovative tandem wing configuration, the H1X achieves excellent aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining a compact size suitable for home garage storage. Powered by 10 electric motors, the H1X drives 8 ducted fans for vertical lift and 2 pusher fans for forward propulsion, enabling smooth, quiet, and efficient flight. Capable of speeds up to 120 miles per hour, it can carry a payload of 500 pounds and travel a range of 100 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for short-distance urban travel. The H1X features an intuitive control system with a single joystick, a responsive touchscreen interface, and advanced autonomous navigation. Built-in anti-collision sensors and automated flight management provide a high level of safety and ease of use, even for non-professional pilots. Additional safety measures include a full ballistic parachute system and redundant electric propulsion, ensuring reliability in all conditions. Designed for quick city commutes, such as traveling from downtown Miami to the airport in under 5 minutes, the Durrani H1X aims to bypass ground traffic and transform the way people move. Combining innovation, efficiency, and sustainability, the H1X marks a bold step toward the future of accessible air mobility. Gove Airjet. The Gove Airjet is a revolutionary electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft developed by the GAC Group under its GOI brand, designed to transform personal and urban air mobility. Constructed with more than 90% carbon fiber materials, the Airjet combines exceptional lightweight strength with advanced aerodynamic efficiency, allowing for longer range and smoother performance. Its innovative hybrid design integrates a fixed wing with a multi-rotor system, featuring 8 vertical lift propellers and 2 rear ducted fans powered by 10 high-performance electric motors. This configuration enables the Airjet to achieve a cruising speed of 155 miles per hour and an electric flight range of over 124 miles. Fast charging can be completed in approximately 25 to 30 minutes, while future models are expected to offer even greater range through the use of solid-state battery technology. Inside, the Airjet provides a luxurious and flexible cabin that accommodates 3 to 4 passengers. The interior features panoramic windows, ambient LED lighting, wireless charging ports, and a stunning starlight ceiling that creates a premium in-flight atmosphere. For safety and convenience, the Gove Airjet is equipped with advanced radar, intelligent sensors, autonomous navigation, and a triple redundant control system. Together, these technologies ensure precise flight control and superior reliability. Combining elegance, efficiency, and cutting-edge innovation, the Gove Airjet represents a bold leap toward the future of sustainable electric air travel. Cyclotech Cruise. Up the Cyclotech Cruise Up is a 2-seat electric flying car powered by advanced cyclo-rotor propulsion technology. Designed for short-distance urban and suburban travel, it reaches speeds of up to 150 kilometers per hour and offers a range of 100 kilometers per charge. Its 6 enclosed electric cyclo-rotors enable full 360-degree thrust vectoring, allowing the vehicle to hover, move sideways, brake midair, and transition smoothly into forward flight, all without tilting. This unique propulsion system provides exceptional control, stability, and safety. The 6 rotors are strategically placed around the cabin to protect passengers and ensure redundancy, maintaining maneuverability even if one rotor fails. With a compact footprint of about 6.7 meters by 3.3 meters, only 50% larger than a standard car, the Cruise Up can be conveniently stored in private garages or operated from small landing spaces. Representing a breakthrough in personal air mobility, the Cyclotech Cruise Up combines maneuverability, reliability, and practicality. Volonaut Airbike. The Volonaut Airbike is a jet-powered, single-seat hover bike developed by Volonaut and designed by visionary inventor Thomas Patan. Engineered to deliver an unmatched high-speed flight experience, it can reach impressive speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, positioning it among the most advanced and dynamic personal air vehicles in the world. Constructed from ultralight carbon fiber and precision 3D printed components, the Airbike weighs significantly less than a traditional motorcycle. Its open, streamlined frame is designed for aerodynamics and rider immersion, allowing the pilot to lean forward and experience an unobstructed 360-degree panoramic view during flight. The absence of exposed rotors or wings enhances safety, making the craft easier to operate in confined spaces or over uneven terrain. The Volonaut Airbike integrates a highly responsive, custom-built flight control system that ensures automatic hovering and stable flight performance, even for individuals without prior piloting experience. Its intuitive control interface allows for smooth transitions between hovering, ascending, and forward motion with minimal input from the rider. With an upright riding position and compact overall design, the Airbike is ideal for low-altitude exploration, enabling navigation through narrow environments such as forests, canyons, or urban landscapes. Blending cutting-edge propulsion technology, modern design, and user-friendly operation, the Volonaut Airbike represents a bold leap forward in personal aviation. It redefines the boundaries of individual flight, offering a lightweight, accessible, and exhilarating new way to soar above the ground. The Airbike captures the essence of freedom, innovation, and adventure in one sleek, futuristic machine, Xpeng Land Aircraft Carrier. The Xpeng Land Aircraft Carrier, developed by Xpeng Aero HT, is an innovative modular dual-mode vehicle that merges ground and air mobility into a single versatile platform. It combines a six-wheeled electric ground unit, known as the mothership, with a detachable two-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, air module, creating a seamless transition between terrestrial and aerial travel. The mothership features a 6x6 all-wheel drive system with rear-wheel steering, offering superior maneuverability in both urban and off-road environments. Its compact dimensions make it practical for tight city streets while still providing the stability required for off-road terrains. The detachable air module is constructed from lightweight carbon fiber and is equipped with 6 foldable electric rotors, allowing for efficient vertical lift and compact storage when docked. The cockpit offers a 270 degrees panoramic view, giving pilots exceptional situational awareness during flight. The air module is designed for effortless docking and detachment from the mothership, fully automated without requiring manual intervention. Flight operation supports both manual and autonomous modes, featuring single-stick control, one-click takeoff, intelligent flight path planning, and real-time obstacle detection. Safety is enhanced with redundant power and communication modules, ensuring secure operation even in emergency or system failure scenarios. Although specific flight range and speed data have not been disclosed, the mothership is capable of recharging the air module multiple times, extending the overall travel range significantly. By integrating practical ground mobility with advanced aerial capabilities, the Xpeng Land Aircraft Carrier represents a bold step forward in hybrid urban transportation, offering unmatched flexibility, efficiency, and innovation for the future of personal and modular air-ground travel. The Supernal SA-2 is an advanced electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft developed by Supernal, a division of Hyundai Motor Group. Designed for short-range urban and regional transportation, the SA-2 accommodates one pilot and up to 4 passengers, providing a practical and efficient solution for modern air mobility. The aircraft features a distributed electric propulsion system powered by 8 tilt rotors, which deliver exceptional lift efficiency, stability, and safety through system redundancy. With a cruising speed of 120 miles per hour and an operational altitude of approximately 1,500 feet, the SA-2 is optimized for trips ranging from 25 to 40 miles, with future versions expected to extend the range to about 60 miles. Engineered for ultra-quiet performance, the SA-2 generates only 65 decibels during takeoff and 45 decibels in cruise, quieter than most household appliances, making it ideal for noise-sensitive urban environments. The airframe and systems are designed to comply with stringent global aviation safety standards, featuring redundant flight controls, avionics, and powertrain systems. A key innovation of the SA2 is its modular battery system, which allows for easy maintenance and future upgrades without requiring full aircraft recertification.